Okay, welcome to H2O Toys. We have the Finding Dory. This is a pole shooter with Hank. And we're gonna unbox this, open it up, and put it in this hot tub pool and see how it works. So let's open it up. Oh. All right, here it is. Has Hank, and you fill it up with water. You put the tentacles in the water and you pull this, and we're gonna fill it up with water. Wanna try it? Okay, here we go. So put it in and pull the top. Pull this top up. There you go. Now pull it all the way up and then go like this. Like this, and then push it. Okay, hang on. Push it up in the air. There you go. Try again. Put that in the water and pull the top. And then turn it around. Put Hank up in the air. And then push it. Hey, look at that.